Hello everyone, this is me Sajad Ahmad, your English language teacher and instructor. First of all, let me know about your health. How are you students? Fine, completely fine, comfortable, fresh in the class? Okay. I am also fine. Thank you. So students, as you know that our English reading, writing, speaking and listening classes is going on. Okay, and today we are going to cover a short micro lesson about friendship. Okay, so first of all, I want to share the class material with you people. Okay, so as you know that this micro lesson is about friendship, so we have need the just some images of friendship. Okay, like they are playing, like they are joking, like they are discussing someone, like studying, etc. Okay, so students, the next material for today class is that we have a proper and strong connection to internet. Okay, so we can search some picture or some fun facts about friendship and friends. Okay, and we have also required your personal laptops or mobile phone. Okay, and the next are the some other materials for today classes. If we have pen and pages, or you can use your Microsoft Word or Google documents that you can write the main points and the main ideas and today reading. Okay, that what is the best, who is the best friend, and what is friendship, what is loyalty, etc. Okay, so these are the objective, these are the materials for today class. Okay, so let's move further to the objectives of today class. Okay, so students, the first objective of today class is that you will use and you will know different vocabulary words like trustworthy, loyal, friendship, jogging, studying, and caretaker, etc. about friendship. Okay, these are the words that are mostly and frequently occur in friendship. Okay, and students, for in the reading you will learn about simple sentence and compound sentence. Okay, and how to use simple and compound sentence and writing when we are talking and we are reading or we are writing about friends. So the third objectives of today class, the student will be able to do conversation with your best friend in class. Okay, I will apply and I will follow this conversation in the guided practice. Okay, all of you will be come here with your best friend and you will do a conversation of 2 minutes here in the front of the class. So these are the lesson objectives of today class. So students, in the warm-up activity, let me ask a simple question from you people. Okay, and I hope that it will be very interesting. Students, every one of you can tell me that who is your best friend in the class. Shiraz is your best friend. Abyan your best friend. Zuhair your best friend. Okay. So I asked this question just for this purpose. At the end, you will come here and you will do a conversation with your best friend. Okay. So this was the warm up, or just a little bit about fun and about friendship. Okay. So let me do to the instruction and models of today class. So students, the first instruction for today class is that you will be silent. Okay, when I am speaking you will be silent, you will listen to my class completely and carefully. Okay, and also you have to notice the main vocabulary words about friendship, as already I mentioned, like trustworthy and caretaker, loyal, helpful, etc. Okay, and the next instruction part today class that when I am reading or I am speaking, so you should and you must be focused on the simple sentence and compound sentence. Okay, and how I use a simple sentence and compound sentence about friends. Okay, for example, I said it, Shiraz is my best friend. So it is a simple sentence, and you just see here that I am referring to about friendship. Okay, so these are the instruction for today class. The models for today class is that students, I want to share Google documents with you people through WhatsApp. You can see here that how I write how I write paragraph about friends. Already you know that Shiraz is my best friend. Okay, so I write a short paragraph about Shiraz here about friendship. Okay, so you will be focused and you must be focused on simple sentence, that how I use simple sentence in these in this paragraph. Okay, and also compound sentence in this paragraph. Students, the next model for today class is that you must be focused on the main words or the difficult words, or we can call it the key vocabulary words and the today class. Okay, so if you understand the main vocabulary about friendship, so you will write and you will make a lot of simple and compound sentences about friendship. Okay, so in the guided practice, students, already if you read my paragraph about my best friend Shiraz, so you will understand how I use vocabulary, how I use simple sentences and compound sentences. Okay, so it is your guided and independent practice that please come here and also do and come here and start a conversation with your best friend. And also in your independent activity, you are requested to write a short paragraph about your best friend that you mentioned, and you do a conversation here with your best friend in the class. So students, I hope it is enough for today class. Okay, see you soon.